Typically, a diagnostic review takes a work week, so think 5 to 6 work days. When we quote you that diagnostic review and welcome you into letting us inside your QuickBooks Online account and our DocuSign assigned, we get to work and start working to dig through all of the settings, all of the different numbers and accounts inside your QuickBooks Online. About 3 to 5 days later, you're getting a report, you're getting a Zoom meeting to see our findings. We're discussing our findings with you. And so within that 5 to 7 days of work days, we have a finished result and a finished price ready to move forward together. So a diagnostic review ensures several things. First, it ensures that we are quoting you based on what you really have inside of QuickBooks. Sometimes you don't realize you've got 3 loans, not 1, or sometimes credit cards are not separated out correctly. And what we don't want to do is get into the project or into the monthly bookkeeping and change the price on you. You guys, that is the worst thing, and we never want to do that to you. We want to give you accuracy from the beginning. So in order to give you accuracy, we get in there and actually diagnose what needs to fix. That's like if you're going to the Toyota dealer and you want to know what's wrong with my car, they actually have to diagnose and figure out what's actually wrong. They're not just going to fix the entire car and charge you a big bill at the end. So it ensures, number 1, accuracy, number 2, that we're not overcharging you or undercharging you, that we're not going to change the price on you. And finally, it proves to you we know what we're doing. A lot of people in the accounting space and the bookkeeping space don't actually know how to clean and fix books and don't actually know where to pick up the bookkeeping and where to take you. We are actually catching the football and running with it and giving you our play-by-play of what we're going to do. And yes, I love the NFL, so I used a football analogy.